What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best PC cases in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. We'll kick things off with the Cooler Master H500. The best airflow PC case in 2022. With this model, the Cooler Master clearly targets an audience that wants the greatest possible airflow, even at the risk of bringing in some dust. First of all, the Cooler Master H500 is a mid-tower case. Unlike the H510 Elite, the H500 is much more impressive with its dimensions of 22.4 by 12.2 by 23.9 inches. In addition, it accepts motherboards in ATX, micro ATX, and mini ATX formats. The H500 supports graphics cards up to 16 inches, which shouldn't create GPU compatibility issues. As for the cooler department, the H500 easily accepts the biggest cooling models such as the Be Quiet. As usual, the Cooler Master has designed an excellent housing that is comfortable to mount to the smallest detail. Well packaged, the H500 is equipped with a handle on top that can carry up to 44 pounds. Very practical if you want to easily transport this box. Mainly made of metal and glass, the front is plastic and acrylic. Speaking of the front part, Cooler Master offers the possibility of replacing the originally installed part with an acrylic frontal section in order to better see the light effects of the fan. In addition, the Cooler Master H500 has several removable dust filters on the bottom, top, and front. On the connectivity side, the H500 offers 2 USB 2.0, 2 other USB 3.0, common audio and microphone ports, a power button, and reset. The great benefit of this Cooler Master H500 lies in the ease of assembly. It's also possible to remove the power cover and the hard drive cage. Since cooling is the main highlight of this model, it has a 120mm rear fan, as well as 2 large 200mm devices on the front. At the top, we have the option of installing a 200mm fan. On the front, of course, you can place 2 200mm fans or 3 140 or 120mm fans. As for the fan backlight, it is really quite powerful. Also, the fans are quiet, even when they're turned on. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. If you want to save a bit of money, we say check out the Corsair 4000D Airflow, which deservedly won the title of the best budget PC case in 2022. This chassis is made of steel and with a slightly darkened side of tempered glass. The perforated steel front panel does not cover the entire width of the housing, which leaves space on both sides, which helps to increase the airflow driven by the fans. Continuing with the roof part of the chassis, we again have a filter that prevents dust from entering the inside of the box. It is also magnetically fixed to the structure of the box and includes a small yellow rubber label, which helps to pull it out and remove the filter whenever we want. The top finish is an I/O panel with USB 3.1 Type-C port, a USB 3.0 port, and an audio and microphone combination. Outside, but from the back, we see a power hole at the bottom, as well as 7 horizontal and 2 vertical PCI slots. The basic cables of the housing connectors come out of the top and are nicely hidden in the chassis design. In addition to the power outlet, we also have 2 slots for 3.5-inch hard drives, as well as 2 more on the side for 2.5-inch SSDs. Among the features offered by the manufacturer is the Corsair Rapid Route cable management system that allows quick and easy routing and hiding of main cables through a single channel, with a generous 25mm gap behind the motherboard for all cables. There are also 2 120mm fans included. Corsair Air Guide fans use anti-vortex blades to concentrate airflow for improved cooling. Furthermore, another advantage is the spacious interior that can hold up to 6 120mm or 4 140mm fans, along with multiple radiators, including a 360mm front and a 280mm top. Lastly, several connections are at your fingertips, including a USB 3.1 Type-C port, a USB 3.0 port, and an audio microphone combination. For the listed price, we are impressed. If you're looking for a premium option and aren't hesitant to spend a few extra dollars for it, we say check out the Corsair Obsidian 1000D, the best high-end PC case on the market in 2022, a very special model that will delight all the most demanding users thanks to its premium quality and outstanding performance. The Corsair Obsidian Series 1000D is a massive chassis measuring almost 700mm in depth and height and over 300mm in width. The interior is accessible on both sides via panels with hinges carved from aluminum and tempered glass. The 3-chamber design can fit 2 complete systems inside. Inside the device is the Corsair Commander Pro fan and lighting controller, which can adjust the Corsair Link software via a USB connection. This chassis supports up to 20 fans and supports the installation of 2 480mm radiators and 2 420mm radiators at the same level. It also allows 4 480mm models with corresponding accessories. The device allows you to build 2 computers. Its modular tool-free mounting brackets help users mount fans to the front or roof of the chassis. Fans are not included by default, assuming that the most demanding users will want to put their chosen ones. Other features include an upper, front, and lower dust filter, and can accommodate up to 5 3.5-inch HDDs and 6 2.5-inch SSDs, expandable to 8 with extra slots. The front panel includes RGB LED lighting, 2 USB Type-C ports, and 4 USB 3.0 ports. We continue with 4 rotating PCIe expansion slots for the main system to support vertical GPU mounting. And finally, it should be noted that the Corsair Obsidian 1000D comes in the size of 27.3 by 12.1 by 27.4 inches, while it weighs 60 pounds. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. We have reached the silver medal and the title of the runner-up best PC case available on the market in 2022, and the award goes to NZXT H710i. We're looking at a middle-sized tower up to 272mm wide designed to allow us to install any type of hardware inside. We have enough space to organize the wiring, and we have excellent ventilation at all times. This medium tower is quite bulky and heavy, measuring 19.45 by 9.06 by 20.31 inches, while it weighs 27.12 pounds. The main materials used in production are SGCC steel and tempered glass. On the outside of the tower, we find a USB Type-C port, 2 USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type-A ports, a mini jack audio input and output. In addition, inside we find connectors for these USBs, an HD audio connector, and a USB 2.0 connector. This tower also comes with 2 addressable RGB LED strips. The tower has 7 expansion slots, plus 2 slots for vertical graphics card placement if desired. In addition, we have 7 drive bays and 2.5-inch drives, and 2 plus 2 3.5-inch drive bays. Also, this tower comes with 3 F120 fans and 1 F140 fan. All fans come already connected by a cable and go directly to the controller. As for the wiring, you can use USB 3.0 connector, USB 2.0 connector, HD audio connector, a connector for the front of the tower, and the connector for USB-C. In addition, there's a tempered glass panel that allows us to see the inside of the tower and enjoy the different lighting effects we want to configure. The fans included in the tower are very quiet fans that create good airflow, so it will not have problems with noise or temperature. The included LED strips allow us to give a touch of personal lighting to a very original tower. In addition, thanks to the Smart Device V2 controller, we can control the fan speed and lighting via CAM software. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Finally, after all the carefully summarized reviews, opinions, and experiences, we have come to the unanimous conclusion that the Lian Lancool 2 Mesh is the best overall PC case on the market in 2022. Based on the award-winning design, this model includes new features that improve airflow in the chassis and offers an updated look. Available in performance and RGB options, both variants have a dense grille front panel and a left power supply panel with a grille for better thermal performance, with different fan configurations and input-output ports, focused on power control, fan speed, or lighting effect control. Lian Lancool 2 Mesh pushes the boundaries of the front panel and left side panel with a mesh density that offers the least resistance for maximum airflow while limiting dust. Users have the option to choose between performance settings and RGB. For the Lancool 2 Mesh Performance, available only in black, the case is equipped with 2 140mm PVM fans at the front and an additional 120mm PVM fan at the rear, as well as a PVM fan hub that can control up to 6 fans. The RGB chassis comes with 3-foot mounted 120mm ARGB fans. The performance version of the Lancool 2 Mesh exclusively has a switch to adjust the fan speed. For the RGB version, the lighting effects of the 3 included fans can be fully controlled using the dedicated button to switch between 7 color options and the M button to switch between the 8 available lighting modes. The device retains the features of its predecessor that make the installation smooth and pleasant. These include collapsible panels for easy access to each part of the chassis, modular cable covers for easy cable management, an adjustable drive compartment, and a front radiator mount bracket for optimal flexibility. Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.